Okay, ma'am.
A very warm good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. We are very grateful to KVS for giving us such a good platform to promote sustained and structured cultural connection between various cultures and traditions and music, tourism, cuisine, and sports. As a part of EPSB, in this activity of cultural exchange program, we students of KVSVP and Shivrampalli, Hyderabad region would like to present a PPT or a PowerPoint presentation on festival, cuisine and sports of Haryana. Prepared by Bijita and Jayanti of 8B and 8C and voiced by Jayanti of 8C.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is M. Jayanti and I study in class 8C of Kendriya Vidyalaya SVPNP Shivrampalli, Hyderabad. Haryana is also known as the abode of the gods, as Hari means God and Ayana means home. Haryana is the wonderland with a vibrant and rich cultural heritage that gives visitors the feel of the Vedic period. So today I'm going to speak about the adorable festivals and fairs, the delicious cuisine of Haryana, and the famous sports personalities of Haryana. Now let us know about the Haryana cuisine. Haryanavi cuisine is like the people of Haryana, simple, earthy, and inextricably linked to the land. In Haryana, the emphasis is on food that is wholesome, fresh, and prepared with little or no fuss at all. Food always evolves out of a certain cultural context. The simpler the culture or civilization, so is the cuisine, which is uncomplicated and essentially implies sustenance. Haryana, with its essentially agrarian culture, had retained simplicity in its cuisine. The authentic cuisine of Haryana offers a finger-licking delicacies, namely kachri ki sabji, singre ki sabji, churma, malpuas, bathua raita, methi gajar, methi chawal, hara dhania choliya, rabdi, jalebi, and much more. It will surely woo your heart and leave you with a lingering aftertaste, asking for more. The people of Haryana gives a lot of importance to milk products like curd and lassi and hence incorporate them in all meals. The land of rotis is an apt title for Haryana as people are fond of eating different kinds of rotis here. Wheat rotis are common and so are bajre ki roti. From time immemorial, Haryana has a tradition of preparing and distributing goond laddus prepared in desi ghee on the arrival of a newborn. Likewise, there is a range of churma which is served on some special occasions. There are other delicacies too, like parathas with batia raita, khichdi, rotis like besan masala roti, bajra aloo roti, and much more. Here you can see the pictures of कचरी की सब्जी, सिंगरी की सब्जी, बथुआ का रायता, malpuas, and हरा धनिया छोलिया. Now let us know about the Haryanvi festivals. To celebrate various occasions and events, a number of vibrant festivals take place in Haryana. These festivals include Tej, Guga Navami, Gita Jayanti, Kartik Cultural Festival, Gangor, Baisakhi, Lori, Basant Panchami, and unique celebration known as Sonakar Rally. The most famous festival of all times is Tej. It is usually celebrated on the third day of Shravana month. The festivities are held on Savan Sudi. The festival is celebrated with a great pomp and enthusiasm. Swings are set up in the gardens and all the girls apply henna on their hands. Young girls and women get dressed up in colorful and vibrant clothes and engage in dancing and singing throughout the evening. The families join to offer prayers. Puja is offered in the mornings. The chalks are decorated and dance and song is held in the evenings along with the lighting of the lamps. There are processions and the houses are decorated with flowers and rice lights. Temples give away alms to the poor. The families reunite after long breaks to celebrate the most adorable Teej together. There are also many feasts like Suraj Kund Mela, Mango Mela, some heritage festivals, and much more. These